Hi guys, me again. How to save a few more quid over the years. So what we've got is an aerated fridge. Okay, so this is a Siemens A++. Okay, if we forget that plus for the minute. So it's an A++ fridge. So it probably uses this fridge a year 25 probably 25 to 27 quid a year. But how to get it down to about £19 a year, maybe even a little bit less because we've got solar panels. So what you do is you put another cross on there, so it's A++ plus now. And how have I done that? Well, what we've done is we take the I've got an old, I don't know if you can see that. This is like an incandescent bulb. I don't use it, it's just there, moved in. But anyway, like that bulb, the small version, is in the fridge. So in the fridge here is I fitted an LED bulb there. Don't know if you can see it there, it's got the vanes inside. You might be able to see it, but just sorry about, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so I've put that in there, and then, should I do it sideways? I don't know. So you put that in there, and then what I've done is, this has been done quite a few years ago actually, and I've just stuck some foil there. And it looks a little bit Heath Robinson. Stuck some foil on there, so it hits that. And as you can see, actually, if I do wide, a few beer there, but never mind. Yeah, so as you can see, it's pretty light in the fridge, food-wise as well. But yeah, it's pretty light in there. So that's how you get that's something very simple. Change the incandescent bulb and put a reflective strip in. Makes it all nice and bright. Dead simple. Don't know why manufacturers don't do that. Anyway, that's saved probably a £5 a year. So the bulb cost me about so I've probably saved in that bulb. So I think I paid about £3.50 for that bulb. Paid £3.50 for that, and it saved 5, 10. Yeah, so it saved 15. It saved £20 as that bulb. That one bulb saved 20 quid. You might all be laughing, but 20 quid, one bulb. That's all I'm saying. Oh yeah, as well, while we're going on about this. Change these here. These used to be 80 watts. These are GE bulbs, similar to that one, but these are 8 watts a piece. That's 3 watts. Yeah, they've got the cooling fins on them. So these, when we moved in, was 60 watts a piece. I put new holders on them. 8, so 100, 200, 300, about 350 watts. Well, that doesn't sound right. So that's 50, that's 100, 200, 300, 400, and 440 watts. That's when we moved in with these bulbs. And now it's 32. So from 400, right, we'll say roughly from 440 watts to 32, 64 watts. You do the maths. I've had them in for 4.5 years. So probably, if that saved £20 in there, these have probably saved. I drove to Hull in the electric vehicle to go pick them up. Probably saved. Probably £150. So if you look at about, let's say, £150 over 4.5 years, no, 5 years, it'd be probably more, near 170 pounds, plus that one, we'll say £200. That's just in these bulbs, and obviously rest of the house. So that's a big saving over something so small. Cheers anyway. Hope you enjoy the eco tips. Thanks, bye.